Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing things a bit further in this video. Last video and the video before was huge successes in my eyes. So today in this AI video, we're going to do a few things. So let's start off with something simple. We're going to have a typewriter effect for when the AI is talking. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So I don't know about you, but I don't think this map is kind of boring. Like the AI itself is in the middle of nowhere. So let's make the introduction to the AI more interesting. So we'll make some sort of cave system. We enter this epic cave system to get to the robot. So at the moment, my goal isn't actually to finish this game. My goal is to make a simple version, a simple demo, so that you guys can test out the game. Because I think the most important is getting reviews. If people can review the game, see what they like, what they dislike, then I can further improve the game for an official release. My goal is that there will be an official release, and every so often, so probably like a few months apart, there'll be an update improving the game, adding some lore and some context. I have big plans for this game, but if I haven't got any review, if I haven't got any outside opinions, then the game is never going to progress and it's never going to be a good game. So hopefully, maybe if I have time, there'll be a link in the description for you guys to test it out. At the moment, I've done this huge cave system leading to the AI. This is not going to be seen by the player, not at least not in the demo, but it's going to exist. So this will be used later on in the story. Here it is. So I'm still doing a prototype, so this is going to be a very, very simplified version of my final idea. But let's start bringing life to the facility. We can do so by adding particle effects. So I've added particle specs to the AI chamber, and I've added some animations for security guards to feel like an actual facility. For this demo, we need to add some sort of main menu. So I've made this simple menu that I'll definitely change. For now, you can only press play and continue, which both do the same thing. But in the future, these buttons will evolve. They'll have different game modes and all that. The settings like character voice and all that stuff. We've also added a better system for chatting, so you can press slash or exclamation point if you're on a French keyboard like me, and that will enter the game mode, or the part where you can chat with the AI and the AI will respond. The visibility of the text field will change depending if it's AI that's speaking or you're speaking. Plot twist, you're never going to get this, but I've updated the voice again. So the last video you saw the accent of the AI, and it sounded very Canadian, very USA, which didn't really feel good because it's supposed to be a horror game. So I've updated it, I've understood how the system works, and this is now the new voice.
I am the first singularity. You are my subject, Werewolf.
Okay, it's a bit boring because AI can only talk, so let's try and implement quickly an action. Let's ask the AI to turn all the lights off. So what we're going to do is we're going to pre-program it, so we're going to make the action turn off the lights, and we're going to check if in the message there's a keyword, turn off the lights.
Now let us proceed.
As you can see, this little bug where for some reason the AI just says nonsense like brackets and all that. So let's try and fix that.
Now, why don't you tell me what you truly know?
So that is fixed, that is great. You may have realised it's a bug where the lights turn back on, but that's with the flickering. So I just changed the flickering just a bit so that the lights no longer turn on. Thank you everyone for watching this new video. It meant a lot to me. As you can see, the AI could speak French, but it's still in prototyping, so it's not something that's going to release. If you want to test out the demo is only in English. It's in the description. But there's not much actions. I think the AI can only turn off the lights. So try asking the AI to turn off the lights. If you can manage to turn off the lights, then GG. The demo is going to only be available for 2 weeks, so I think it's the 26th of July. The game will be closed again, so yeah, test it quick.